Hey, what's up guys? So World Balance is a local brand that's been around for a while now and I'm finally gonna get to try them out. So tara, samahan nyo ako sa go-to warm-up routine ko with World Balance. Core and cardio yung workout natin today kaya kailangan ko talaga yung shoes na maganda yung traction, maganda yung cushioning, maganda yung performance at syempre yung stylish. Itong Codex in black with a white midsole yung napili ko for today para bagay na bagay sa outfit natin. Magaan, malambot at nakita nyo naman yung price, really a bang for your buck. So to start my warm-up, I usually go on the treadmill for 10 to 15 minutes. Walk lang muna, then I gradually increase my speed. Next, I do floor exercises to properly warm up my full body, starting with the world's greatest stretch. 5 to 10 reps on each side, okay na yan. Next naman is lunge to a hamstring stretch para ma-warm up natin yung legs natin. Syempre, injury prevention tayo. To properly activate my upper body, nagpo-push-ups ako, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. At para ma-activate naman yung core, mountain climbers, and then ab wheel. Ayun lang, hope this helps. Let's G!